In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the clipboard on Android and where it's located so you can easily access text you've copied. Let's start with the basics. The clipboard on your Android device is a temporary storage area where copied text, links, and sometimes images are kept. Anytime you use copy or cut, that content goes to your clipboard, ready for you to paste it somewhere else. The tricky part is that the clipboard isn't always obvious or visible, so I'll walk you through how to actually find it and use it in a simple, clear way. First, unlock your Android phone and open any app where you can type, like your messaging app, your notes app, or even your browser's address bar. We need a text field because that's where the keyboard appears, and the clipboard tools are usually built into the keyboard. Tap on the text field so your on-screen keyboard pops up. Now, look closely at the keyboard area. Depending on your Android version and which keyboard app you're using, you may see a small icon or option labeled Clipboard. This is often found above the keys, in the suggestion bar, or as a small icon that looks like a notepad or a sheet of paper. If you see something like that, tap it. Once you tap the clipboard icon, a panel should open showing your recent copied items. Here, you'll usually see a list of texts you've copied, sometimes with timestamps or in small boxes. To paste something from this list, simply tap on the item you want. It will automatically be inserted into the text field you're currently using. If you don't immediately see a clipboard icon on the keyboard, look for a three-dot menu or a settings icon on the keyboard itself. Tap that and check if there is a clipboard option inside that menu. Some keyboard apps hide it there by default, and you can enable it or pin it, so it's easier to access next time. A quick tip. Many Android keyboards only keep clipboard items for a short period of time, or until you copy something new. Some keyboards offer a pin feature, which lets you save specific clipboard items so they don't get deleted automatically. If you see a pin icon next to an item, tap it to keep that item stored for later. And that's it. By using the text field, your keyboard, and the clipboard icon or menu, you can quickly find and manage your clipboard on Android whenever you need it.